Are you confused about how to increase the Ozempic dose to effectively manage your blood sugar levels? In this video, we're discussing Ozempic dosage and how to increase it for better diabetes management. Welcome to Pharmacist Online, your trusted source for health advice. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. First, let's address the basics. What is Ozempic? Ozempic is a medication used to improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. It's known for its effectiveness, but understanding when and how to adjust the dose can be confusing. Have you or someone you know started Ozempic? Share your thoughts in the comments. To begin with, Ozempic usually starts with a low dose. For the first 4 weeks, you take 0.25 milligrams once a week. This helps your body get used to the medication and reduces the chance of side effects like nausea and diarrhea. Did you experience any side effects when starting Ozempic? Mention it in the comments to help others. Now, when should you increase the Ozempic dose? After these initial 4 weeks, if your blood sugar levels are not well controlled, your dose is typically increased to 0.5 milligrams once a week. If this still doesn't achieve the desired control, your doctor might increase the dose to 1 milligram once a week for another 4 weeks. So, how do you know when to increase your Ozempic dose? If after the first 4 weeks on 0.25 milligrams, your blood sugar levels are still high, your physician will likely advise increasing it to 0.5 milligrams per week. If your blood sugar is normal on this dose, it becomes your maintenance dose. However, if it remains high, you may need to move up to 1 milligram per week. Remember to regularly monitor your blood sugar levels and consult your healthcare provider before making any changes. Next, let's talk about the procedure for increasing the Ozempic dose. To increase the dose, it's straightforward. After the initial 4 weeks on 0.25 milligrams, start taking 0.5 milligrams once a week. If necessary, after another 4 weeks, increase to 1 milligram once a week. Ozempic should be taken once a week, on the same day each week, at any time of the day, with or without food. What day of the week do you find best for your medication routine? Additionally, where should you inject Ozempic? Injecting Ozempic is simple. It's injected just under the skin, and the best places to inject include the abdomen, thighs, upper arms, and buttocks. Rotate between different spots to prevent skin irritation. Have you found a favorite injection site that works best for you? Furthermore, what if you miss a dose of Ozempic? If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember if it's within 5 days. If more than 5 days have passed, skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Do you set reminders for your medication doses? Moreover, it's important to discuss why monitoring your blood sugar levels is crucial. Regularly monitoring your blood sugar levels and consulting your healthcare provider before making any changes is crucial. They can help you determine the best dose for your needs. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, which usually improve as your body adjusts. Always follow your doctor's advice to avoid complications like hypoglycemia. Have you experienced any side effects with your medications? Finally, can Ozempic help with weight loss? Studies have shown that Ozempic not only helps lower blood sugar, but can also aid in weight loss. This dual benefit makes it a popular choice for many people with type 2 diabetes. Have you noticed any changes in your weight since starting Ozempic? If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips and advice from Pharmacist Online. Your health is our priority. What do you think about using Ozempic for managing blood sugar levels? Have you tried it? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. To sum up, starting with a low dose of Ozempic and gradually increasing it can help you effectively manage your blood sugar levels. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful health tips. Stay healthy, stay informed.